I'm going to be doing my slime collection. Oh. I have 5 to show, but these 2 are actually 1 and just doesn't fit in this blue one, so kind of like 1, 2, 3, 4 slimes to show you guys. And yeah, so we're gonna start off with this one, then this one, that one, then this one, then this. So I'll tell you the recipe too. With this one. This one is glue, some liquid starch, and if you don't know what liquid starch looks like, that's what it looks like. I got mine at Family Dollar. So this has glue, liquid starch, shampoo. No, not shampoo. Mousse, like it's a type of hair thing. It's like a type of gel kind of, but it's not. But it has mousse and baby oil. I like this one, even though it's like makes your hands slippery kind of. This is, yeah. So can't make this too long. And then we're going to be doing this one. No. And these containers from Kentucky Fried Chicken, I guess, they are reusable because it even says reusable. So I store my slime in it. Like I clean it out like really, 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 really good. I look at this. And it's like a handful, kind of more than a handful. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell, but it's like kind of a Squidward color with sparkles. Has pink, blue, green, yellow, orange, and pink sparkles. And it's like, it's a light one. Because I made like almost like half a blue bottle, like kind of almost a whole glue bottle, I had to store it in one of these kind of containers. So this one is just a normal recipe that is glue, liquid starch, like I said, liquid starch, glue, liquid starch, food coloring. The other one this one has food coloring too, but that's optional if you want it. Food coloring, which is optional, like I said. Sparkles is also optional, or glitter. And glue and stuff, so yeah. This one I really like it, because it's like sparkly, and it's just like a whole bunch, and it's like super like stretchy. Oh, and I'll rate them too. So this one, how it's a little slippery, I give this one an 8. And these I did not, what do you call it? I did not record myself doing these because I just like got my YouTube channel either Saturday and today's Monday. So made these like a while, all of these a while ago. Now here's a mess one. I'm like, and I'm still in my pajamas, so here's that. Can't make this video. You see moving? Wait 1 second. So I'm on to this one now. It's my shampoo slime. I gotta go. So it's pearly. Smells good. And this one I give a 6 to 8. So 6, 7, and 8. This one it's weird. kind of looks like Mars mud. So I would give it, and it's not that stretchy. Because the more you put of liquid starch or borax in water, the less it stretches and more putty like it is. So I'll give that one, I like that one a lot, I'll give it a 10. It may not be squishy or anything, but I really, really like it because it's like a Mars mud and a putty, and it's metallic and shit. It smells great. Have 10 more minutes to film. Then there's this one. So this one, it is a straight up Squidward color. It looks like blue on the camera, I think, but it's like a light blue. Hey, Mama! That's my little sister. So this is like a Squidward green color. This recipe is this kind of the same as this one, but this one has baby oil and mousse. I forgot to say baby oil. That one has baby oil and mousse. Like I said, this one. And then I had a white one that was just glue, liquid starch, and mousse. And then I added it to this one, so the original is still kind of in here. And yeah, so it has sparkles. I made this one with the sparkly glue, the blue sparkly, the glitter glue, but the blue sparkly glitter glue. The blue glitter glue. Okay, so that sounds a lot better. So all of it doesn't make some noises, yeah, I know. Doesn't fit in this container. See? So we have to take out some and put it in like one of this container. So I give those two, well, the same one, so that to a good good 10. I like those. So, yeah, but I have super sticky ones and stuff. So that one I have one of them in the cupboard. I didn't how to fix your slime if it's like liquid for a while, and if it's just sticky, how to fix it. So a lot of people know how to do that. But so there are my slimes I showed you. So this one, I like it. It got better but I'm going to probably redo the numbers. This one, 6 because it leaves you oily. This one is this one is kind of sticky, so that one is 6. This one kind of is 7. 5. This one, I like it, so this is like a 9. And these are like a straight up 10. 10. I know it's breaking. So 10, 9, 6, and a 5. Slime tower, okay. Then probably the next slime video I do will be slime videos. Other than that, bye. Hope this video uploads. If not, part 2 of the love collage thing. It did not want to upload because it was almost half an hour long. So, well, it was already, but yeah. So I'm sorry. So please subscribe. I only got 4 views on the very first part 1, like my very first video, and that's part 1 of that one. So yeah. So bye.